Hello, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error 0x800700570 in Windows 10. Guys, how to fix this problem? Guys, you are new in my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. You get a new and fresh video of technical. Let's start our video. Guys, first you need to click on type here to search. Then click on File Explorer. Then click on this PC. Scroll down. Then right click on C drive. Then click on this properties. You can see this type of interface open. Then click on tools and this object will be check the drive from file system error. Just you need to click on this check. Do you check this all? Click on check. Then scan drive. Wait till this all scanning processing will you can see repair the drive window. For echo on this drive, they need to be repaired. Close the dialog box and the repairing the device. Then click on this close. Then click on cancel. Then click on OK. Then restart your PC. Then click on type here to search. And here you type CMD command prompt. Then right click on it. Then click on run as administrative. Wait till this open. Guys, you have to write one command. Guys, you need to write one command slash space scan now. Then press enter. Is not your internet or you can see guys, I already done it. That is why not. You can see that I come. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. You get a new and fresh video. Thank you.